You want to deal plants? You better know how to ship them. This is how you do it. Along with your rooted plants and cuttings, you need a plastic baggie, scissors to cut the baggie with, a moist paper towel, packaging material, a box, tape, and rubber bands. Start by getting organized. Gather your materials and select the plants you'll be sending. If you're shipping a rooted plant, ship it bare root. Wash off the excess dirt. This will make it lighter and less messy. You want the plant to have some moisture during its journey, but you don't want it to be sopping wet because this can cause root rot. So you want to make sure the paper towel is moist and not dripping wet. Next up, you're going to swaddle your baby. So think about getting tucked in. You want it to be tight, but you still are able to breathe. That is exactly what you want for your plant. Now you're going to swaddle the baby again with the plastic wrap, like a diaper, to contain the moisture. Now you're gonna find the box that fits the plant. You don't want it to be too big, you don't want it to be too small, you want it to be snug. You put it in, and then you tape it down. I usually tape it right where the diaper is, on top and the bottom, and do a crisscross. Now you're going to fill the box with either some packing peanuts or some crinkle paper. Make sure you don't pack it too tight because this can also hurt the plant. Now you can feel free to add a personal card or some instructions. If you're reusing a box, wrap it up with a paper bag. It gives it a nice clean finish. Now it's ready to go to its new home. Say bye-bye to your baby. Thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe, ask me questions. Clickman is the best man. Oh yeah. You like that?